Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Bitcoin Trust Wallet updated. Open Trust Wallet, tap Buy, choose a provider, enter amount, and complete verification steps quickly and easily. Enable security like Face ID or passcode to protect funds. Consider buying small amounts first to practice and compare on-chain fees. I'll walk you through each screen, what to expect, and common mistakes to avoid so you can buy confidently today. Start by creating a wallet and writing your recovery phrase on paper in a secure place. Treat the phrase like cash. Never share it or type it into unknown sites. Enable biometric lock and a passcode to add a second layer of protection. Consider a small test purchase to confirm everything works before larger amounts. I'll guide you through the exact screens and checks to keep your Bitcoins safe and simple. If you're enjoying this walkthrough, please subscribe and like if you are finding the video helpful. Quick recommendation: musical notes bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, a fun way to listen to market alerts and set timers while you trade. Check the description for the product link and other deals. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. To buy with card or bank, select a trusted on-ramp provider inside Trust Wallet and enter your payment details. Check the fee breakdown and displayed rate so you know the total cost. Complete any KYC steps the provider requests, like ID verification, to settle the purchase. After buying, wait for the required network confirmations before spending or moving the Bitcoin. I'll explain each step and common timing so you stay informed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.